Hi folks, this is Richard Rodriguez from $1 Million Mindset. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Richard Rodriguez. I have recently adopted a mindset that I want to be a millionaire within the next decade. So if that's something that you want to do, if you want to be a millionaire within the next decade, follow me on this journey and let's become a millionaire together. Alright, the first thing you need to know is I'm doing several different things to get to my goal of being a millionaire within a decade. Okay, the first thing you need to overcome is you need to tell yourself and make yourself believe it, that yes, it is going to happen. You can do this. You can become a millionaire within a decade. You have to have that mindset. It is going to happen. Not, I would like it to happen. Maybe if fortune favors me, it will happen. No, you need to say to yourself, it will happen because you will make it happen. So that's the first obstacle that you need to overcome. A lot of people don't overcome that obstacle very easy or ever. What they do is they think to themselves, it only can happen to other people. It's never going to happen to me. I have to work my 9 to 5 day in and day out until the day that I die. That's what most people think, but that's not reality of life. Life is what you make of it. Make it a good life. Make it something that where your hard work pays off and gives you the things that you want. If it's money that you want so you can buy freedom to not have to be pulled down to one job for the rest of your life, then that's what you need to do. And that's what most of us are looking for. Some people just simply want a job where they can get by at home and not have to show up to that 9 to 5. That's something you want to do, then that's something you can work for. So again, in this journey, I'm going to tell you how to get that done. The first rule that you have to overcome, besides that mindset, is consistency. You have to continue to have consistency. Consistency is the game, meaning this. If you look at my videos are coming out every single day but Sunday, sometimes on Sunday when it's a bonus. So I can give you the consistency that you're expecting. You want to click on my video every single day to watch a new video, it's gonna be there, a new video every single day. That's consistency. It's like showing up to your job consistently on time. It's like showing up to your job on a consistent basis, and that makes the boss happy. So we all have consistency ingrained in us. We just don't see it when it comes to becoming an entrepreneur and making our own way in the world. If you want to make that goal of becoming independent within a decade like me, then you need to have consistency. Remember, again, my name is Richard Rodriguez. I'm with $1 Million Mindset, and that's the kind of mindset you have to have. That's the first thing you need to look for. First thing, consistency. You have to be consistent. If you're not going to get this done. The second thing you need to look at is value. You have to provide value in whatever you're doing. If it's motivational videos and you don't provide value, people are going to click off and they're going to go watch something else. That's the second thing you need to do, is you need to provide value. So if you can make your videos interesting, if something that you're talking about is interesting, it's something that you're suggesting doing is interesting, it's something that people are watching is interesting, watching a motorcycle race, and you want to see the people win, or you want to see people jump over things, you want to see the crashes in an IndyCar race, whatever the case may be. As long as it's interesting, it will hold people's attention, and that is the key to this. So that's the second one. First one, stay consistent, and the second one, provide value. Whatever it is, you have to provide value. The third one, you have to listen. If you don't listen to what people are telling you or what people want, then you're not going to be able to do number two, which is provide the value. People want a certain thing. It's like when you're watching a television show. If you're watching a brand new television show that was hyped up really high, that just came out, and people are ready to watch it, they're all sitting down, they got their soda, they got their popcorn, they got their meal, they got, a cold brew, whatever it is. They sit down in front of that television at 8 o'clock prime time on Friday night to watch that new show that is going to premiere, and it just does not hold their interest. The show's going to die. People are going to stop watching it. And when people stop watching it, you pretty much dry up. So if the people who produce those shows listen to what the audience wants, they're going to be able to produce shows that the audience likes to see. So if they don't listen and they make simply the things that they want, that's when shows fail. How many times have you seen a show that has premiered because it was hyped up really, really huge that failed? I've seen many in my lifetime. Shows that were hyped up, that everybody talked about, that was going to be a great show, that premiered and it failed on the first episode. Sometimes 2 or 3 episodes and it failed. If those actors are looking for other jobs, you might see them in another show. You may never see them again. But that's because they didn't listen to what the audience wanted. They usually have test showings. And during those test showings, if they don't change things to make the audience happy, then they're going to fail. So that's number 3. You have to make sure you listen. Whether it be listening because you want your product to be liked, or listening so you will actually become a better entrepreneur. Just like this video you're watching right now. You're listening to me and I am trying to help you become better at what you do. Now I have to do that myself. I have to listen to other people in order to become better at what I do. And I am passing on the knowledge that I have gained to you to help you get further in your business. So remember, number 1, you have to be consistent on a daily basis. Every 2 days you do it, every 4 days you do it, every 3 days, every 5 days, once a week, because I know people who make videos just once a week and they are very successful. Some people make them every single day and they are very successful. But it also, you got to remember, it also is going to take time. It's not something that's going to happen overnight. If it would happen overnight, everybody would be doing this. Not everybody can do what we are trying to do. We have to do it slowly. Sometimes it takes a year, sometimes it takes 2 years to start seeing the income that you want to see. These are the things that you have to look at. You've got to look at consistency, which is 1. You got to look at 2, which is providing value in whatever you're doing. And 3, you have to listen to what other people are telling you, whether it be the audience or other entrepreneurs are trying to tell you, and take that into account the next time you talk about something, the next time you implement something, or the next time you make a video about something. Take those into account. Now, for everything that I told you in this video, what I'm trying to do, it pretty much applies to most everything. Now, what I do is I do affiliate marketing. I show you videos on how to become a better entrepreneur, on how to make better videos, on how to make your videos stand out more. This is what I try to do. I try to provide a value. Now, if you find value in what I'm doing for you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that little bell. Remember, my name is Richard Rodriguez with $1 Million Mindset. I have that mindset. Do you?